Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. Welcome to today's tip about total losses. First of all, I think most shops probably understand that when a vehicle's a total loss, you may have storage charges, you may have disassembly or teardown fees, you may also have some administrative fees. But ladies and gentlemen, one of the things I think shops are not thinking about is erasing the customer's personal data from their vehicle before it's released as a total loss to a salvage yard or a tow truck driver. You see, ladies and gentlemen, most people today use their vehicle as a smartphone on wheels. And that means they may have their home address stored into their GPS or navigation unit. They may have their personal contacts stored where they use Bluetooth and make voice-activated calls. Or last but not least, they may even have their garage doors coded into the vehicle. So ladies and gentlemen, we need to make sure when a vehicle's a total loss that we're reaching out to that customer and asking them, would you like us to erase your personal data? Now, I'm sure many of you are wondering, is this an included operation or not included? Well, ladies and gentlemen, again, anytime I want to know something about not included, I go to my friend Danny at the DEG. Danny, erasing customers' personal data from a vehicle, it's a total loss. Included or not included?
It's a great question, Mike. It's a not included step because none of the three information providers defined a total loss or administrative fees as a part of their labor times in the systems. So any times associated to clearing data or performing a total loss procedure is a not included operation in all three estimating systems.
Awesome. There you have it from our resident P-Page expert, Danny. So ladies and gentlemen, remember, what I always say, don't delay, do it today. Ask that customer on a total loss, do you want me to erase your customer's data? Thanks for joining us.